Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every single one of us, climate change. We'll explore the causes, consequences, and most importantly, the actions we can take to combat this global crisis. To understand climate change, we need to start with its root cause, greenhouse gas emissions. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes release carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases into the atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket, trapping heat and leading to a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. The consequences of climate change are already visible around the world. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and more frequent and severe extreme weather events are just a few examples. These changes disrupt ecosystems, jeopardize biodiversity, and pose significant threats to human health, food security, and water resources. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to make a difference. Let's discuss the solutions and actions we can take to mitigate and adapt to climate change. One of the most impactful ways to combat climate change is through the transition to renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power have the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create a sustainable energy future. By supporting renewable energy initiatives and advocating for policies that promote their adoption, we can accelerate this transition. Another critical aspect is sustainable agriculture. By adopting practices such as organic farming, agroforestry, and regenerative techniques, we can reduce emissions from the agricultural sector while promoting soil health and biodiversity. Choosing local and seasonal produce, reducing food waste, and supporting farmers who follow sustainable practices also contribute to combating climate change. Preserving and restoring forests is vital in our fight against climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making them nature's own carbon sinks. We must protect existing forests from deforestation and invest in reforestation efforts to absorb more carbon and restore ecosystems. Supporting initiatives that promote sustainable forest management and reduce illegal logging are essential for a sustainable future. We can't forget about transportation, which accounts for a significant portion of global emissions. Choosing public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking whenever possible can greatly reduce our carbon footprint. Additionally, the adoption of electric vehicles and the expansion of charging infrastructure are crucial steps toward decarbonizing the transport sector. Waste reduction and proper waste management play a vital role in addressing climate change. Recycling, composting, and reducing single-use plastics are effective ways to minimize emissions and conserve resources. We must also support initiatives that promote the circular economy, where products are designed to be reused, repaired, or recycled. Lastly, education and advocacy are key components of the fight against climate change. By raising awareness, discussing the issue with friends, family, and policymakers, and supporting organizations working to address climate change, we can create a collective voice for change. We must hold governments and corporations accountable and demand sustainable practices and policies. Climate change is one of the greatest challenges of our time, but it's also an opportunity for positive transformation. By taking individual and collective actions, we can mitigate its effects and build a more sustainable and resilient future. Remember, every action counts. Let's come together and make a difference. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on important global issues. Thank you for watching.